Again, starting from lane 1, we have the George Washington Scarlet Beast, Lowell Red Tide, Galileo Celestial Dragons, One Breath, CYCB Squared, and Lincoln High Red. We're approaching the 150-meter mark as the teams settle into their race pace.
It does look like it's lane 2, Lowell Red Tide.
We're definitely seeing a charge from the middle lanes in this heat. Lane 2, Lowell Red Tide. Lane 3, Galileo Celestial Dragons. Lane 4, One Breath.
Here comes lane 1, the Scarlet Beast from George Washington High School.
And don't count out lane 6, Lincoln High Red. Looking very nice on the outside lane. Lanes 1 through 4 all look to be neck and neck, really digging it out.
Here comes lane 3.